Check out this Pinterest account that shares Amazon gadgets through an affiliate program, attracting hundreds of thousands of views every month. A similar strategy on YouTube has also shown impressive results. One video alone has gained 18 million views. In that video, a $200 knife set available on Amazon was featured. Amazon's standard commission rate for home products is around 3%, which amounts to approximately $6 per knife set sold. While that may not seem like much individually, consider this. If just 0.1% of those 18 million viewers purchased the knife set, that would result in 18,000 sales. This adds up to roughly 108,000 in commissions from a single video. Amazing, right? And to help you achieve all of this, I will show you a tool called Vrbo, an all-in-one AI tool to create viral videos and help your content stand out on Pinterest. But first, we need to find a trending TikTok video that showcases a popular Amazon product. Just go to TikTok and in the search type in Amazon finds. Click enter and these searches will lead you to videos featuring high interest product. Next, focus on finding a product that meets a common need or solves a practical problem. For example, a food storage container with a vacuum sealer helps keep food fresh for longer, reducing waste and preserving flavors with a durable and eco-friendly design. After identifying a standout product, check the comments. If people are excited, discussing its usefulness, or asking where to buy it, that's a great indication of strong promotional potential. Once you pick the product, just copy the link of this video, go to a new tab, type in snaptik.app, close all of these tabs, just paste the link into this area right here and click on download. And this site allows you to download TikTok videos without watermarks for free. Next, open the video you downloaded to locate the product name. You can capture a screenshot of the item. Then go to Google Images, click on Google Images, click on the search by image and just paste your image, and Google will show you similar images helping you identify the exact product name. In this case, it's a vacuum sealer machine starter set with airtight food storage container glass. You can just copy the name of the product or just click on the website. Here's a key step. Many Amazon product listings feature demo videos that showcase how the item works, and these videos are often available for use. To download them, you'll need a browser extension. Search for Video Downloader Professional, just like this. Click on the first link and just install it. I already have it, so I won't do that again. This tool enables you to download demo videos directly from Amazon. After installation, pin the extension to your browser, then go back to your Amazon product page and refresh it. Click on the extension icon and it will detect the product videos available for download. Browse through them and save the ones that are most relevant. Now just copy the link of this product from Amazon, and in the following steps you'll learn how to turn this URL into a unique and engaging video using AI. With the product videos and URL ready, you can easily create viral content using AI powered tools like Wondershare Vrbo. This AI tool makes video creation effortless, simply uploading an Amazon URL, and it creates a complete promotional video script, voiceover, AI avatars, and dynamic visuals, all automatically. To get started, just click on the link in the description down below. Vrbo is available on desktop, online, and mobile, but we'll focus on the online version today. Now just sign up to your account and click on Vrbo for web. Inside you'll find powerful tools like AI script, talking photo, AI montage maker, and URL to video. You can also choose from realistic AI avatars and pre-made templates to create professional, eye-catching videos in minutes. So once you're logged in, just click on URL to video to access your dashboard. Here you'll find AI tools that support video creation for multiple platforms such as Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, and eBay. For this example, we used the Analyze URL option. Paste the product link from Amazon and just click on the Analyze URL. After you click, the AI will automatically pull content from the product URL and allow you to choose which images to include in your video. You can remove any that aren't needed. Then upload the product videos you previously downloaded. Just click on Add media, and choose the videos you downloaded earlier. Now you'll see that the AI has compiled the product details to create a script. You can adjust or add any points you want. For the video size, select 9:16 for a vertical video, ideal for platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts or even a Pinterest. It's also a good idea to keep the video under the 30 seconds as shorter videos tend to engage viewers more effectively. Next, you can choose the language you want to use. For the video type, just select the AI avatar and voiceover, so the AI generates a virtual person to present the product with a voiceover. Once everything is set up, just click on Generate Video to complete the process. The AI will now generate a viral video based on the product details, presenting 3 different promotional video options. Take a look at each one and select the one you prefer. To enhance the video further, just click on the Edit to make adjustments. Once on the editing page, you can modify any aspect of the video. You can tweak the script to suit your style. After finalizing the script, it's time to update the voiceover. I'll choose a male voice in English, selecting from a range of realistic AI voice options available. Now let's switch to a more realistic male avatar. To do this, just right-click on the current avatar and choose Replace. This will take you to the avatar selection area where you can explore various categories. While all avatars resemble real people, I suggest checking out Fixed Backgrounds category. It offers natural, casual-looking avatars that are ideal for this type of video. This tool offers easy customization. If you want to tweak the script, just click the T icon to open an editing window. You can refine the text or choose the professional option for a polished version instantly. On the right, you can adjust background music by browsing different categories or uploading your own track. Set the volume to balance it with the voiceover. To add subtitles, enable the subtitle option and click directly on the text in your video to customize the font, size, and style. Once everything is set, click Export to process the video. Then it's ready, hit download to save it to your desktop. And now let's check out the AI generated final result.
Does food spoil too quickly, leaving you frustrated at the waste? Our vacuum food storage system tackles food preservation head-on, reducing waste and keeping your ingredients fresher for longer. Tired of battling soggy leftovers? With our vacuum sealer bags and containers, you can protect your meals from spoilage while ensuring easy access to healthy options every time you reach for a snack. With this 6-piece vacuum sealing set, you're armed with everything you need. From large containers for family meals to small bags for snacks, all designed to provide maximum freshness and flexibility. It's time to ditch the old ways. Say goodbye to wilting herbs and sad leftovers. Our vacuum sealer lets you create a seal that maintains perfect flavor while saving you money on groceries. Don't let precious food go to waste. Choose smart storage solutions that fit your lifestyle. Grab your vacuum sealer and make food waste a thing of the past.
This is amazing. The way all the elements blend together is seamless, and the AI avatar speaks so naturally, it feels just like a real person. With the video ready, the final step is publish it on Pinterest or other social media platforms. Sharing your content across multiple platforms can greatly increase visibility and potential earnings. Posting manually can take time, but Wondershare Verbo is expecting to introduce a one-click publishing feature soon. This will let you upload videos to YouTube and TikTok instantly, making the process even more efficient, so stay tuned for the update. In the meantime, keep posting regularly, and with consistency, you'll start seeing results over time. If you find this guide useful, feel free to like this video, subscribe for more content, and check out Wondershare Verbo through the link below. See you in the next video.